Hello and welcome to the BigBasket channel. Having a productive mindset but not having a productive workspace is a recipe for disaster. So why create one? In this video, we will talk about a few simple ways to have an organized workspace to increase productivity, be it at office or home. Also, look out for a fun giveaway in the video and subscribe to the channel to stand a chance to win an exciting voucher from BigBasket. Now let's quickly jump into the video. Tuning our minds and giving them the right signals from time to time helps add to the productivity. A simple effort can be coming out of your home clothes and dressing up for the day. Just a simple effort of looking put together enhances the mood and brings you into a focused and more motivated form. This trick might sound small but have a great impact on overall productivity. Now, as mentioned, here is the fun giveaway challenge that can help you win an exciting voucher from BigBasket. Tell in the comments how many times the word space has been used in this video. Write your answers in the comment section and subscribe to the BigBasket channel to meet the basic eligibility, and you can have a chance to win some exciting vouchers from BigBasket. Now moving on to our second tip. A clean and organized workspace adds to your productivity many folds. It's a cycle that starts from cleaning workspace to getting motivated. How? Very simple. A clean space removes all the distractions caused due to clutter. Then, when there are fewer distractions, one will get more focused and can continue to concentrate better. When the concentration increases, the efficiency of doing every work increases. Without distraction, we remain in the flow of work, leading to the next win, which is faster outputs. With full focus and efficiency, tasks get over quickly, and this, my friend, boosts motivation and overall confidence. This same rule applies in organized spaces as well. But one additional benefit that comes with organization is saving a lot of time. Organized spaces helps in quickly locating the important things and saves a lot of time. And time saved in looking for things can be utilized focusing on work in hand. A few of my favorite workspace organizers are a pen stand to keep all the stationeries at place. Next are the drawer dividers, as they help in sectioning the items well, and it gets easier to locate what is lying where. Another one is cable ties to keep the cables intact around the workspace, and lastly, small pouches to keep small accessories together. The way we clean and organize our external factors, similarly organizing our work and giving all the tasks the right structure is equally important to increase our productivity. The first step to that is to make a task list. Just pen down every single task that needs to be done on a piece of a paper. When we note things down, the chances of finishing them increase, otherwise what remains out of sight goes out of mind. So, without worrying about the task or the number of tasks, just start by penning everything on a paper. Once the elaborate task list is ready, the second step is to prioritize these tasks. There is a very thin line between being busy and being productive. If we directly jump onto finishing everything on this list, there will be a lesser probability of finishing them all. Rather, we will only end up exerting ourselves. So picking just 4 to 5 priority jobs and finishing them first is the right way to go about finishing this entire task list. I separate the priority tasks from this list to focus on them first and avoid other distractions. You can always add more to the priority jobs once the earlier batch finishes. Talking of better focus, there are many productivity tools available that can help in finish our tasks well and on time. Number one and my favorite is time blocking. It's like those timetables we used to follow back in school where we block our time for different activities throughout the day. Google Calendar is a very effective tool for time blocking. Just choose the preferred time and block that period for a particular activity. Time blocking helps in giving some structure to our day as it defines what needs to be done and when. Another great tool is setting reminders on our phones. If there are too many tasks on our work list, then remembering every task can be tough. So, simply putting reminders of a few tasks helps in finishing them in time. This also takes away the regret of forgetting things or missing out to do anything time critical. Another tool that works like a charm every single time is using sticky notes. This quick and old school method of writing things down and placing them at our workspace help with those constant reminders to finish the work. And while we are on old school tools, alarms are your best friend when it comes to giving reminders or quick alerts for any work. Why use them just as a wake-up call? Align your daily or weekly appointments with alarms and you are good to go. Lastly, adopting these processes is a continuous cycle. Once we are done for the day, reworking our task lists, prioritizing our tasks, and resetting and planning for the next day help with increased productivity. This makes the half job done for the next day, and instead of starting from scratch, one can right away jump into taking action since the broader planning was done a day before. I hope this video will give you lots of ideas and motivation to create a productive workspace. So like this video if you enjoyed watching it. Also, don't forget to participate in the giveaway and subscribe to the BigBasket channel to have the opportunity to win exciting vouchers from BigBasket. And I'll see you in my next video very soon.